How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Keys. This is TURKEYLEG TV. Hello and welcome back, everybody. So, on this episode of TURKEYLEG TV, I'll be making two pins. One out of 10,000-year-old ancient bogwood. Now, this wood was carbon dated, so it is roughly about 10,000 years old. It's been sitting underwater for all that time, waiting for me to make a beautiful pin out of it. Also, with that beautiful wood, we're going to be adding a 24 karat gold rifle pin kit. That was a beautiful kit. I can't wait for you to see it at the end. Stay tuned for it. The second pin we're making is a oak burl vortex pin. I tried something new. You can see it there. It's a very soft wood along with the ancient bogwood. While I was making this, I had to make sure to go very slow and very carefully because the wood is very soft and tends to explode if you put too much pressure on it. Also, make sure to like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, comment for any future builds you want me to make, or what you want to see. That'd be very much appreciated. So as you can see, I'm moving very slow and very methodical so I don't splinter this wood too much. I absolutely loved working on this oak burl piece. I highly recommend, if you have a lathe, to go get some oak burl and try it out. So now it's time for assembly, and up first is the vortex pin. I also have to make sure to be very careful with what I'm doing so I don't splinter the wood and I don't crack the wood in any way. Also, when I'm working with that 10,000-year-old ancient bogwood, not to crack it in any way because, again, it is very brittle. Thank you again, guys, for watching my video. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Also, my Instagram, any of my social media pages, please do subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.